If you don't subscribe, then you don't get no fries.
Hyper Jalen, and I'm in.
Cho, the best one on Hyper Jalen, and I'm back with another video. Hey man, today I got a prop video, man. This is Doodoo Birds. And yeah, man, hey, you know what prop? Hey, gotta expect the unexpected a little bit. That's all it is, bro. But he keep it real. He be himself, and that's why I fuck with bro. Now Doodoo Birds, I could have swore I done this one, but I didn't. Like I was looking, I didn't do this shit. And you know, yeah, I still gotta get y'all their permission vid when I fucked up. But I'm definitely get at y'all, man. But I was like, hey, Doodoo Birds, hey, might as well get it out the way, cause hey, you know what, probably he gonna make you goddamn dance now. Man, he gonna have you scratch your head and sometimes like, what the fuck is this nigga talking? But he just funny as fuck. Goofy ass motherfucker. Ain't nothing wrong with that, bro. Like, that's why I rock with Prof, bro. Be yourself. Like literally, he fucking be himself. But you know, hey man, I'm just gonna go in here with the mindset of I'm gonna expect the unexpected. I don't know what the fuck gonna happen. But you never know with Prof. Ever since I seen that video, bro, was fucking that girl on the bus or the van, whatever. Yeah, that's when I knew. That's exactly when I fucking knew. That's when I knew right then and there, man. But we're gonna go ahead and get right to this, man. Y'all waiting. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that nasty stuff. Don't post those if you do. You don't subscribe. And motherfucker, you don't get no fries, man. We almost at 10K. Keep hitting that bell. See, without further ado, man, let's turn it up. See what the hell I mean? Why is this nigga at the beach in his drawers with a fucking bag on his head? He got kidnapped and they threw his ass out. You see what I mean? You see what I mean, bro? No way he in public. Prof, no, ain't no way you in public like that, bro. Cause ain't no way you out, boy. Bro, boy, you different. He different, bro. He different. I'm trying to tell y'all, this motherfucker is different. 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 Different.
Know they try to give me like a lick, ayy. Even when it didn't know shit, ayy. I been shooting straight from the hip, ayy. Took a fucking shot and you missed, ayy. No, I never really.
That nigga said I could shoot from the hip, but you took a shot and you missed. Ooh, okay, bro. Oh, they did kidnap my nigga. Like what? Man. It was the way bro was looking at me. That's what I'm laughing.
Shoot straight from the hip, ayy. Took your fucking shot and you missed, ayy. No, I never really said rhymes, ayy. You know I had to move through the slime, ayy. Everybody knows my time, ayy. Everybody know the state line. On the way out, grab a coat or something. Everyone here know that the whole shit done. If you used to drop, watch the whole shit come. Ding dong, ping pong, I'm a hole in one. Man, I seen the new shows and I hope it's fun. I murder everybody by 5 and get some bowling done. I ain't leaving no.
Y'all hear this nigga flow, bro? Like, don't get it fucked up, cause he. Cause he can rap though. This motherfucker can spit, bro. Like that's bro. That be the shit that be amazing me, bro. Like this nigga, real life and bro. I know he be goofy all the time, bro. But like, bro, he can spit now. The nigga can spit.
I'm a hole in one. Man, I seen the dude shows and I hope it's fun. I murder everybody by 5 and get some bowling done. I ain't leaving nobody alive, man. I'm the chosen one. I'ma fuck the game up till the Trojan done.
Nigga said, hey, I'm fucking everybody up. I'm the chosen one. He said, nigga, hey, I'ma fucking get to that Trojan done. Yeah, oh, boy. Ain't no way y'all niggas got guns and bazookas for my nigga. Y'all can't beat this nigga up. Proud, bro. Ain't no way you let these niggas do you like that.
I'ma fuck the game up till the Trojan done.
Bro, I just wonder how this shit was when they was filming this shit. Cause ain't no way these niggas laughing under these fucking masks. Cause this shit is fucking hilarious. I would have been laughing my ass off, bro. Me, I would have been laughing my fucking ass off. Dead ass, bro. Dead ass would have been laughing.
You know I had to deal with the snakes, ayy. Stuffing their face with cake, ayy. They feel the wrath of the grapes, ayy. Now I'm all gas, no brakes, ayy. Meanwhile I turn to a logo. If there was some birds, they dodos. Oh no, Yoko, they killed themselves pro bono. I swear it wasn't Italy, it was just literally. Bitch, are you kidding me? Full of stupidity, who could think differently? Literally, karma hit instantly. Here I am standing alone with.
Hey, boy, don't play with that karma, boy. That motherfucker. Hey, why you gotta? Hey, that's why you gotta be careful with some shit you do. That karma, it'll come back. Motherfucker, what goes around comes around, nigga. Hey, don't play with that motherfucking karma, boy. Like I said, I got two best friends, Casper and Karma. They have never let me down, bro. Never. Hey, they're my two best friends, I swear.
Literally, karma hit instantly. Here I am standing alone. Without me, no one would ever have known. I didn't even need to open my throat. Now just sit back and just go watch the toy. Yeah. Hey. Yeah.
Hey, nah, that shit was hard. He can't even do his prop dance in that bitch. Hey, man, prop, boy. Yeah, probably doing this motherfucking thing, boy. Real talk. But nah, hey, man, that shit was hard, though, boy. Like I said, bro be himself. His scenery, that shit be funny. What the fuck, bro? This is the way he do it. He creative as fuck, bro. He got it up there, boy, for sure. But prop, man, that's my dog, man. Hey, y'all know I've been trying. Hey, I'm gonna keep believing. We're gonna get Prof to comment on my channel. Don't worry, it's gonna happen one day, man, for real. But now though, man, y'all keep requesting y'all Prof. If I got to it, I'll let you know. If I haven't, then I get to it. Hey, I know I still gotta do that, redo that permissions vid, cause I fucked up. So yeah, we're gonna get to that too as well. But y'all make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Do I get that nice stuff? Turn the post on to the new, if you don't subscribe. But y'all finish that for me, man. Hyper Taylor now.